It's this time of the year. We're getting ready to finish up plowing up the garden. I got in a hurry a couple weeks back and went through the garden and ended up pulling up a lot of mud, because it was still wet underneath. It's not really good to do that because now I have to mess around and getting this dry and, and get it tilled up. But this is the tiller. I did a video on it probably, I don't know, a few months back, probably close to fall, somewhere around there. I did a video and I picked up this really good find. And I'm really pleased with this one because it's it's a lot newer than what I pick up. Some of the tillers I picked up before was some of the older ones, like some like the late 80s, early 90s. And you can find these pretty much anywhere. And I know you can find all the parts because every time I buy one and I sell, I normally rebuild it. I put seals in it, gaskets, new oil in it. I've changed tires on them. I picked them. I usually get them off of Facebook. That was the best place to find them. A lot of times people they got them sitting in sheds and, somebody's mentioned to them and then, that thing might be sitting for a while where it might be a little dry rotted, like the tires or something like that. But other than that, I mean, you can still find all the parts. I've found everything. I don't think there's any parts I haven't found for these, even inside with the gears and stuff. I mean, you can find them on eBay is the biggest place I find the parts on. You can find them on Amazon too, and then also online there's a lot of other companies that sell small engine, like has small engine repairs that actually sells the parts. But the only thing this in here needs right now is a set of new tines put on the back of it. We're going to go ahead and order those. They're a couple $100 if you get the good ones. But other than that, you can't beat them because something like this would run you probably around right now. I don't even know if they sell the horse anymore. It's not a wheel horse, it's Troy Bilt. I don't even think they sell it anymore. I think they sell the big red. Maybe it's called the big red one up from this. And what it is, I think the only thing I see was different. Maybe the horsepower could have been different, and also a battery that was electric start. So that made it really nice too if you want electric start. But I mean, you might be able to still find them new, but I think they run around about 2,500 now. They jumped up like another $500 than last time I looked at them. They was like 2,000. But if you find them online, you can really build you a nice tiller if you like doing gardens like we do. We love doing this every year. It's a lot of fun. We get a lot out of it too. We get a lot of canning and stuff like that. But we're going to go ahead and start this up, and I'm going to show you. Now, I had a little bit of a little issue with the carburetor. I didn't get to tear it apart yet. I put a new air breather. I put a new valve on the gas tank because it was leaking. Every one of those gas tanks on the bottom leaks. I don't know. They just leak. So, okay. Well, we're going to go ahead and start it up, and we're going to go ahead and till a little bit and show you how it tills. And I'm going to listen to that carburetor and make sure it's not, if I still have to adjust it or not. So, okay. Gas is on. Gotta make sure I turn it on up here. That would make sense. Then you start thinking, boy, it'd be nice to have that battery start now. Electric. What are you doing? Something's on. All right, there you go. This is the Troy Bilt horse. And, you know, if you can find one, go ahead and pick it up. It's worth it. It's worth every penny of them. Like I said, I'd normally pick them up during the fall and then turn around and fix them up and get them ready for spring and then just sell them to people. I sold quite a few of them, but we're getting ready for the garden, like I said. And this year, it's going to be a lot more fun because we're going to put in some different things this year. We're going to rearrange our garden a different way. We plan on putting some planters back in here, some raised beds up against the fence. As soon as I get everything cleaned up, I got a bunch of things I got to do. I'm behind a little bit, but okay. If you have any comments, anything like that, just leave them down below, and I'll get back as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.